I'm gonna make just a really quick video on this here while somebody's car alarm's going off. These are $59 on Amazon. Hopefully it's not burned out. Fender guitar cord, $249. A CAD E102 microphone. These are over 100. A Focusrite Scarlett microphone. Comes with a kit. Don't know how much it's worth, but $349 for sure. A and B speaker test box. For some reason my phone thinks that it's in Japan based on my IP address, so I can find it with Google Lens, but I can't seem to change to pull it up to find out how much it is, but they're available on Amazon, so that's going to be kind of cool. You can switch between speakers on 3 channels, three stereo channels. Sounds like somebody's stupid 90s car alarm. And then I got this for the kids. So that's cool. And my friend Mike gave me the lens to the Pentax. I got that. So that's gonna be kind of cool. So I got a Pentax lens. So that's it for today, guys.